Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video we are going to be exploring a new type of classification, basically a new type of model that we are going to be creating using IBM Watson to classify coins or rare coin collection. And in this example we can actually train these metal based coin images, so it's going to be a different kind of classification, because it's like surface is all shiny, and sometimes like you have these coins wrapped or basically packaged in a case with different light conditions and everything. So it's going to show you it's going to basically show you a different variation, and we're going to see how well Watson performs basically with this different kind of image classification problem. Okay, so let's head on to next video to watch basically how to train this model and then use it in the app to make good predictions. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.